Anyway mga ka-OFW, tapos lang namin kumain na kasama ko. Bakit na kami ng opisina kasi sobrang busy ngayon. Ang daming gagawin. Kaya ano lang yun, maiksing lunch lang yun mga ka-OFW. Usually talaga yung lunch ko dito, maiksi lang. Sa dami ng mga bagay na kailangan gawin dito. Ito nga pala kasama ko, Jeffrey.
Hi.
Say hi. This is my work. What do I call you? My uncle?
Uncle.
This is my colleague, yung mga ka-OFW. This is Jeffrey. Pasok tayo ng lift. Guys, ito si Jeffrey. This is my colleague.
Hi.
Jeffrey, let me ask you something. What do you like about working with Filipino like me?
They are actually very approachable and friendly. Only I do meet one or two a bit hard the same. Other than that, it was very good.
Do you think I'm nice to you?
Yeah, okay. Good.
Okay, see,
Good.
sabi niya okay daw ako. Good. I'm good, I'm nice,
We get along well.
Oh, we get along well. Ano daw kami? We understand each other, is it?
We can communicate easily.
We can communicate. No communication barriers.
Yes.
Right. Because some of my Filipino friends, they're asking about English speaking skills when you work here in Singapore. Is it necessary?
Actually, Filipino most of them can speak English.
Right.
If they ask me how to talk English,
You stay here on the side. Yeah.
then I'll be very curious. Then what language they speak? Tagalog.
Tagalog, yeah. Because most of the Filipinos, they're afraid to work here in Singapore because of English lah. So no
But
need lah.
English is
It's
very
not
simple.
necessary.
English
Just
is very
basic
simple.
English, is it?
Yes, basic English you can
Basic
go through.
English can. Okay. So yung mga ka-OFW basic English lang. So hindi kailangan ng na slang ka mag-English. Makakapagtrabaho ka na dito sa Singapore.